Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram Story. So, let's get started. First, open Instagram on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon located on the bottom of the screen and then click on the Story option. Now I'll start by taking one picture, but I want to use a solid color background. To do this, tap on the three little dots at the top right corner. Then select Draw, choose a color, and press and hold. There, I've got a solid color background to work with. Then click on Done. To add multiple photos to your Instagram story, simply tap on the sticker icon over here. Scroll down a bit and tap on the icon with the plus symbol. Select the photos you want to add. You can resize and move them as you wish. You can also change the shape of the picture by clicking on it. To add another photo, tap on the sticker icon again and select the plus symbol, and select Picture. Again, you can resize and move the image wherever you like. You can add many photos by this process. Now, you can post it. Congratulations, you have successfully added multiple photos in Instagram Story. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.